And if else statement, I need to go for it. Right? Let us start with if else statement, I need to go for it. Last class, I explained the program also for this. This program I was explained. Did you remember that program, guys? Did you remember that program? Once I will show you that. Once if I will show you that. 2.py. Digit example 3.py. I hope digit example 3.py. Look at that. This is the one. If, elif. I can go for if else statement, which is a too lengthy. Let me open it. One more example which we did previously. If else statement. So flexible one. See, if else. Again I wrote if. It is a too lengthy. For writing this condition, 2 lines I am wasting it. 2 lines I am wasting it. So it's a compact one. And the more flexible of if else statement is the next concept called what? If, elif, else statement we can call. Right? So let us start discussing about those kind of information. What else if statement? Look at student, all of you. Look at student. I'm going to give you the here. Let us see the syntax here. Very, very easy. Let's follow the discussion now. What is it? If is a keyword here. Condition 1. Here I am block of statements. Indentation maintain. Block of statements 1. Okay. If the test condition 1 is true, it will execute block of statements 1. Suppose if it is a false, it will go to the next part. Another condition it is looking for. I have many conditions. That time I will go for if. It is a compact form of if else only. If another condition. I am writing here test condition 2. Execute block of statements 2. Execute block of statements 2. Come on, guys. All of you must follow me carefully. Execute block of statements 2. If test condition 2. Execute block of statements 2 here. Block of statements 2. Okay. Test condition 1. Execute block of statements 1. If test condition 2. Block of statements 2. I'm going for block of statements 2. So when the test condition is a false, come on students, all of you, it will come to this elif statement, test condition 2 will be evaluated. If it is true, execute this block of statements 2. Again, if it is false, it will go to another elif. Another elif, many elifs I can write it. So I'm writing here, let me paste it, let me like this. I have many elif statements are there. Many elif statements are available. Many elif statements. This is called a condition 3. This is called a condition n. Look at that. See, my dear students, offline classes I will intimate when I will start. Because if you ask daily, I don't have any answer for that. Okay? Please look into that, students. I'll intimate, I told. If anybody is very much interested in offline class, you can go to another batch and you can enjoy that. No, I'm saying that those who are offline students are there in the online. If anybody is very much interested to go for the offline, you can join another batches and you can go to other faculty batches, you can go for it. I will intimate when I will take, I told already. Again and again, if you ask now, I'm not going to have any answer. Unless and until I said it is going to be there online only. I will intimate when the offline will be. Online students are already online only. There is no doubt in that. Okay, fine. So coming to the point of it, test condition n. unless and until I intimate offline classes, don't ask daily regarding that. So offline and online, both of them are same in my class. As well as my class is concerned, it is going to be same. Don't ask daily that same thing like a dialogue. I will intimate, I told. Again and again, if you ask, there is no answer for me. Right? Yeah, online students, there is no problem. Some of the offline students are requesting me to start offline, come online. So online students, there is no issue. Right? Fine. For offline students, some of them, if you are any expecting offline, please continue the online. If you want my batch, more depth of the subject. If you want offline to see the faculty in front of you, you can join other batches also, no problem. Right? Look at that. If test condition 1 is true, listen that test condition 1 is true, execute block of statements 1. If the test condition is come to the, what is this, if test condition come to the false, it will come to the if statement, right? So test condition 2 is true, it will execute the block of statements 2. If it is true, execute this. Again, if test condition 1 is false, it is coming to the next one is called test condition 3. If it is true, execute this block of statement. If it is false, like that, almost all is going to be continued. Okay. So if all the test conditions are false, last one is there, that is called else. It is called what? Else. Execute else block of statements. I'm writing here, students, else block of statements. Else block of statements. Else block of statements. And after execute, when the else block of statements will execute, if all the test conditions are becoming false, if no test condition is satisfying, it will come to else block of statements. Writing else block of statements is optional. I may write it, I may not write it. After executing any one of these block of statements, there is existing other statements in the program. Other statements in the program. Other statements in program. Other statements in program. I'm going to say other statements in program. Dear students, carefully try to understand. Carefully understand. Right? So test condition n, right? Test condition block of statements n else executing. If you don't maintain indentation, you will get the problem of indentation. That is a very dangerous. I told how to maintain the indentation things. Without maintaining the indentation, if you write the program, you cannot execute at all. I told already indentation concept in the class. If you don't maintain indentation, dear comrade, somebody else, dear comrade, you are having the same thing. Inconsistent use of tabs and spaces, that is called indentation. You are using a wrong indentation, wrong typing you did. Spaces you did not maintain. So take care of that spaces. Right. So see this. Is the syntax is clear? Is the syntax is clear, students? Shall I show you the diagrammatic representation? Shall I show you the diagrammatic representation? Yes, please look into that. I just have a small, without wasting the time, I just have the small diagram here. See, students, all of you, if test condition 1, block of statements 1. Elif, see the indentation, exactly under the same. Test condition 2, block of statements 2. Like that indentation, elif, test condition 3, block of statements 3. Elif, test condition n, block of statements n. If all the test conditions are becoming false, it will come to else. Execute else block of statements. Other statements in the program also written. Other statements in the program also written. Now explanation, another side. There is an explanation here, students. Let us look at. Here, if, elif, else are the keywords. See the explanation. If test condition 1 is true, then execute block of statements 1, execute block of statements 1, and execute other statements in the program. Because anyhow, other kind of test conditions are becoming false now. And execute other statements in the program. Next, If the test condition 1 is false, false means it will come to the else, elif. And if the test condition 2 will be evaluated, and if it is true, then execute block of statements 2 and also execute other statements in the program. Other statements in the program. If test condition 2 is false and test condition 3 will be evaluated, see the diagram, left side syntax. And if it is true, then execute what? Block of statements 3 and other statements in the program. This process will be continued until all test conditions will be evaluated. If the test condition 1, if all the test conditions are false, then PVM will execute else block of statements, which are written within else block. Writing else block of statements is optional. Writing else block of statements is optional. I hope you are understanding this description. Students, is it clear, my dear students? Is it clear, students? Very good. Fine. This is clear. Very nice. Good. Now let us coming to the diagram is there. I will open it. Diagram I said for some other batch. No, this is what I'm showing it. Flowchart for simple if else statement. See the students, I am showing the flowchart also for you. Flowchart also you see. Entry, test condition 1, true. Execute block of statements 2 and straightforward coming to back and execute other statements in the program. If the test condition 1 is false, coming to test condition 2. If it is true, execute block of statements 2 and straightforward coming to this place. If it is false, if test condition 2 is false, then test condition n, like that we are having many more. Test condition n is true, execute block of statements n and also execute other statements in the program. If test condition n is false, execute else block of statements, also execute other statements in the program. So diagrammatic representation also explained, my dear students. So concept is clear, syntax is clear, and everything is clear. I hope so. Right? So, and the last class I said one program also. Last class, yes, Maraki, thank you. And I said last class one program also to you. And see this program now. You see D is equal to 0, D is equal to 1, D is equal to 2, if elif, etc. It is designed like this. Fine. Else block of statement is also there. It is the way to decide something like this. Are you understanding, students? Good. Now, let us go to the, some of the people are asking, yesterday's one small homework, that is even or odd they are asking. Let us go for even or odd. I will go for explaining that kind of thing. Even or odd. You want to decide that? I can go for it. Yeah, biggest up. See, Ma, you have to do the assignment, please. You have to do the assignment. Please take care of the assignment. Yeah, 80% of the people has done it. 20% of the people also. When I am giving assignment means you have to do it. Okay. Anyhow, I will take one example and do it. Write down. With this if statement, I will do it, Ma. Right. Right. Come on, Ma. Write down. Write a Python program. Open your notes. Write a Python program. Yes, Ma. Those who have completed all assignments, they are the best. Those who did not complete, I am asking them to become a best. That is my advice for everybody. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept 3 integer values. Which will accept 3 integer values. Which will accept 3 integer values and find the biggest among them. 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 Yeah. How many inputs I have to take? Find the biggest among them by using if, elif, If, elif and else statement. If, elif, else statement. If, elif, else statement. How many inputs, ma? Let us see this. Let us go to the program now. Let us see the program now. I'm taking program for finding biggest of three numbers. See, my dear students. See, my dear students, all of you. A is equal to int of input of enter first value. Enter first value. I am saying that enter first value. Yes, enter first value. Next, I am taking enter second value. Enter second value. I am taking that enter second value. B, this is called. Next, I am taking C is equal to enter third value. Enter third value. Enter third value. That is called C. I got three values. Now I need to find the biggest among them. Okay. Find if C, students, A greater than B, A greater than B, and A greater than C. First condition, please. Right. This is called one combined condition I am taking. Okay. Fine. There I will do what? Yes, dear comrade. The student name, dear comrade. You need to take indentation properly, my dear student. You say biggest of, I say here, biggest, C, biggest of, I'm saying that, comma, is equal to, like this I'm taking. Dot format of A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, A. Okay, biggest is that A only, na? A greater than B, A greater than C. Biggest is A. And what are the A values, B values, C? This one, you know already. A value will be substituted here, B value will be substituted here, C value will be substituted here, and this is going to contain like this. This is going to contain like that. Okay, next I want to go for B value, I want to find. If, come on, my dear student, if B greater than A, and what is next? And B greater than what? C. B greater than C. Then say that what I'm saying now. A greater than B, A greater than C. Biggest is this. Right. And now I will write it. How I will write it? Same thing. I will write it here. Biggest is equal to, here I am writing B. I am writing B. Okay. Elif I am writing Elif. Again I am writing here. C greater than A and C greater than B. I say print off A comma B comma C is the biggest. Right? Now else I am not writing. That's it. Just leave that and then see the execution for it. Okay. Big example 1.py. See, my dear student, now I am going to give you the clarity on this. Big example 1.py. Coming to this place, right? Coming to this point here, G colon. So KVR, Python, 4 p.m. CD, and then conditional statements. Very, very simple. Py. See that biggest example 1. Enter the first value, second value, third value. See the biggest is equal to 30. 30 means which one is executing? In these values, which one is executing? Which line is executing? Can anybody can say? Else is optional. Which line? Very good. 10th line is executing. 10th line is executing. 10th line is satisfied. And 11th one is printed. 10th line is satisfied and 11th line is printed. Excellent, ma. Excellent. Asif, very good. Now let us enter 10 and 200 and then 30. Which line will execute in this case? 10 to 230. Which line will satisfy? 8th line will satisfy and 9th line will execute. 8th line will satisfy, 9th line will execute. Biggest of this. See, students, next I am going to say 100 10 and 20. Which line will satisfy? Which line will satisfy? Sixth line will satisfy. Seventh line will execute. See that biggest is equal to 100. I got it. Biggest is equal to 100. I got it. Right. Next, I'm going to say 10 and 10 and then 10. 10, 10, 10, 10. Which lines are satisfying here? No lines are satisfied. Am I correct? Am I correct? The time it is supposed to go to where? Some statement I will write it. See here, no output is coming here. No output is coming. I will write it here. I will write it here. What I'm writing now? What I'm writing now? Else I'm writing. Else I'm writing. Right? Else I'm writing. If you want, I can write it. If I'm writing. A double equal to B and B double equal to C. B double equal to C. I can write it. All values are equal. See, dear students. Print what is this? All values are equal. All values are equal. Best. See, my dear student. So here 10, 10 and 10. So all values are equal. If you are a good programmer, two values are same. You can write two values also same. Actually, that program is biggest of two numbers. If you are very much interested, 10 and 10 and 20. I'm taking that biggest value, that's it. I'm taking that biggest value is good. That's it. So I'm going to find the biggest among these numbers. If all numbers are same, I will be printing this type of information. Are you able to understand, my dear students, this program? The main intention is if, elif, etc. kind of information is entered. Okay, right. So even or odd program also you can do it very happily. Even or odd program also you can do very happily this kind of things. Okay. So if simple if statement, if else statement, if else statement, and if else statement also we have written. Fine, students. Now I will go for one more type of thing I want to introduce. Let me go for match case explanation. I want to give it. Match case explanation. I want to go for it. Shall I go for the match case, students? Shall I go for the match case? All of you. Yeah. Let us go to the match case explanation. I want to go for it. So match case is one of the facility. Match case is one of the new facility. Match case is one of the new facility available in Python 3.10. Available in one of the 3.10. Right. Fine. Coming to the point of it here, which is going to be available. Match case statement I am going to explain. Match case statement we are going to discuss. So coming to the point back, match case statement I am going to explain. So let us see, students, match case statement here. It is one of the new facility. It is one of the new facility in Python 3.10. In Python 3.10 version onwards. 3.10 version onwards. Okay. Then when we should go for this? See, students, if else statement and else statement, this is going to be used for taking the dynamic decisions. Dynamic decisions. 1, 2, 3 are used for taking the dynamic decisions. But a match case kind of thing is used for something like a menu driven application development. I'm writing. The purpose of, I'm writing, all of you listen carefully. Dear students, please join on time and attend the classes so smoothly. If you join late and if you ask me, sir, show the previous program again, by stopping hundreds of students, I cannot go for one student backside. I cannot go for backside. Because hundreds of students, I cannot make them to wait because of one student. Please understand me. Please join on time and try to get the good subject. This is my humble request for everybody. The purpose of match case statement, match case statement is that to handle to handle to handle menu driven applications. This is recommended for dealing with this. Menu driven, I will explain what is this menu driven applications. It is also called as what? Pre-designed conditions. Pre-designed pre-designed conditions. Pre-designed conditions. Match case, pre-designed conditions. The purpose of match case statements is that to handle to handle menu driven applications or pre-designed conditions. Pre-designed conditions. Pre-designed conditions means what? What is meant by menu driven? I want to give you a clarity here. My dear students, please look at, I'm giving very beautiful examples for this. Let us assume arithmetic operations. See, my dear students, once arithmetic operations, just for a minute, you understand. I'm giving something here. I will do something. You do something as a homework. One for addition. I'm giving one condition. If you choose one, addition operation has to carry out. Next is called a 2. I'm giving 2. I'm taking subtraction. I'm giving subtraction. 3 you take it, multiplication. 4 you take it, division. 4 you take it, division. 5 you take it, modulus. 6th you take it, division, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, floor division. Yeah, no problem. Floor division. Floor division. I'm taking floor division. 7th one is called what? Exponentiation. 8th is called what? 8th is called what? Exit. I'm taking exit. This is called pre-designed conditions, my dear students. These are called what conditions, my dear students? Pre-designed conditions. It is called menu driven application. I will give you here. Enter your choice. Enter your choice. Your choice 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8. You enter your choice. Depends on the choice. I need to do the operation. Enter multiplication you want, I will get the multiplication. 7 you want, I will do 7 operation. Whichever choice you want. These are the pre-designed conditions. Like when you go to the menu hotel, there is a menu is there. Pre-designed items are there. You are selecting one among them. Like an ATM application. Senapati, correct ma. When you go to a hotel, there is a menu. When you go to an ATM, there are some pre-designed conditions are there. That time I will go for this type of things. So this is called one type of operation. It is an example of case study 1. This is called case study 1. It is called example of menu driven application. This is menu driven application. Fine. Similarly, I want to go for case 2. Another case study I want to give it. See ma, all of you. Case study 2. I am giving case study 2. How simple it is. Now I am giving the case as what? Area of different figures. Area of different figures. Okay. What are the different areas of figures here? See how simple it is. Then I'm going to say number one, circle. Number 1 circle. Number 2 called what? Square. Number 2 square. Number 3 called what? Number 3 called rectangle. Number 4 is called what? Triangle. Number 5 is called exit. Like this. Enter your choice. As usual, enter your choice. I say enter your choice. I would like to get it. Enter your choice. So see students here, enter your choice. either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, whatever the choice you have, that is called 2 now, 3 now, etc. Whatever it is. It is an example of one menu driven application. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, here I am giving what? Here I am going to give you what? C for circle, S for square, if you want, S for square, and R for rectangle, and T for triangle, T for triangle, and E for what? Exit. And don't ask me the question, sir, C, two C's are there. Don't take like that. Take different cases. This C, S, R, T, E are called case labels we call. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are called what? Case labels we can call. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are called case labels. If you want, I can give you here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are called what? Are called case labels. Case labels we can call. Case labels we can call. Now, definitely they are called case sensitive students. If you want, you can maintain that. You can maintain without case also. Here I can write it. I will show you in the program. Here C, S, R, what is next? T, E are called what, you know? Case labels. Case labels. So in general, see students, in general, case labels can be fixed quantities. I can use int type, I can use str type, even you can use bool type also. Bool type also we can use it because they are the fixed quantities. Don't take the case labels as float. Don't take case labels in the form of what? Float. In the form of float, because float will have a lot of decimal places. Decimal places are not accurate. Decimal places may vary from one program to another program. That's why case labels can be like this. Did you understand the meaning of this, my dear students? Did you understand the meaning of what? Menu driven applications and pre-designed conditions. Did you understand? Quickly. Yes, Asif, very good, ma. Very good. Come on, Rocky. Yeah, everybody, Irfan, good. Yeah, Shubhashree, Rocky. Statement, I will go for it. Match case statement, I will go for it. So now I'm writing syntax, my dear students. Syntax I'm going to explain. Let us go to the syntax here. And I can also do with the if else statement also, elif statement also. But for some certain sort of things, too easy to write the programming, we require to go for it. Let us see the syntax, my dear students. Match, simple ma. Match case statement of Python. Match case statement of Python is equal to switch case statement of C language. Switch case statement of C++. Switch case statement of Java. So they did not take switch case. They have taken match case. A very nice word. So I'm going to take here choice expression. I'm taking here. Choice expression. Don't know, ma. No problem. Rocky, don't worry. I told in the beginning only. To understand my Python, no need to have any knowledge in the C language, C++, Java, nothing. You learn my Python. That's it. I'm just saying the comparison, my dear student. That's it. Okay. Choice expression is nothing but what? You are getting? Yeah, no problem. Arun Kumar, don't worry, ma. Don't worry. You need not to know C language, C++. I'm starting from very beginning onwards. I'm explaining. Match, choice expression. Yeah, choice expression is nothing but you are entering the case label. Just now I told you, na, case label can be either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8. Right? Choose one from this option. Excellent. I will take it. I will take it. Indentation symbol. Please look at that indentation symbol. I say case label 1. Label 1. Case label 1. Same indentation. Execute block of statements 1. I will write here block of statements 1. See how simple it is. Okay. If another case label you are entering, I will write it, my dear student. Case label 2. Case label 2. Execute block of statements 2. I will take up next what? Next I will take up like this. Next I am taking up like this. Now I am saying here. See, case label n. Case label n. Execute block of statements n. Okay. So choice expression. See that how it is done, my dear student. If choice expression is matching with the case label 1, it will execute the corresponding block of statements. If it is not matching, it will come to the next case label. If it is matching, execute this. If no case labels are, this will be compared by matching with all the case labels. If no case labels are matching, it will execute. Come on here. Case underscore colon. Case underscore colon. Case underscore I am writing. Case underscore is nothing but it is like an else part in our programming. Else part in our programming. Yes, simple. This is nothing but default case we can call default case. If no case labels are matching, if the value of choice expression is not matching with any one of the case labels, straightforward it will come to the case underscore, it will execute. It is known as what? Execute default. I will write default case block, default block of statements, default block of statements. This case underscore is known as what? Default case block we can call. Yes, ma, Ganesh Verma. It is a syntax, ma. Syntax they followed. They followed the syntax. You are writing labels. That underscore says that no case label is available here. If no case labels are matching, it will come to this underscore case label will execute. Writing this underscore, case underscore is optional. It is a default case block we can call. This is a labeled case block. This is a labeled case block. This is a labeled case block. If no case blocks are matching, it will execute the default case block. I hope you are understanding. After executing any of the case labels, it will come out of the case and it will execute other statements in the program. Other statements in program. It will execute other statements in the program. Right? Yes, sir. Senapati. Exactly same. Exactly it is same. Senapati. Correct. So I hope that this is done. Now I am giving explanation here. Explanation I am going to give you. Explanation. See, my dear students, explanation I am giving. This is the explanation I am going to start. Here, first of all, what are the keywords here? First point I am writing here, match. I am going to write match. Next is called what you know? Match, comma, case. Match, comma, case are the keywords. Now, I am writing match is written. Choice expression. Now I am writing here. Choice expression is either int or str or bool. Either int or str or bool type. Please keep in mind. Okay. Now, choice expression can be, or if you want, can be either int or str or bool type. The case label also. Labels are nothing but what? Choice expression is 1. It is matching with this. Now I am writing if the value of choice expression is matching with matching with case label 1, then execute corresponding block of statements, case label matching with the corresponding. If the value of choice expression is matching with the case label 1, then execute corresponding block of statements, and later execute other statements in the program. Execute other statements in program. Why other case labels are not matching? Because the other case labels are not matching, na? That's why straightforward goes to other statements in the program. Okay. In general, I am writing, my dear students, in general, if the value of choice expression is matching with any case label, any specified, matching with any specified case labels, then execute corresponding block of statements. Execute corresponding block of statements and other statements in the program. In general, if the value of choice expression is matching with any specified case label, then execute corresponding block of statements and later execute other statements in the program. Okay. If next line, if the value of choice expression is not matching with any one of the case label, look at my dear student. If the value of choice expression is not matching with any one of the case labels, then PVM executes default case block of statements. PVM executes a default case block of statements. If the value of choice expression is not matching with any specified case labels, then PVM execute default case block of statements which are written under what? Which are written under case underscore in the bracket known as default case block. So it's an FAQ, my dear students. FAQ, this is called FAQ. Writing default case block is what? Optional. Writing default case block is optional. I may write it, I may not write it. Are you following, students? Writing default case block is optional. Is it clear, students? Can I go for the example part now? Can I go to the example for part now? Right. So coming to the point of it, I'm going to the execution part of it. I'm going to introduce. Fine. I'm giving very clear here. No more confusions. If you are confusing, I just gave syntax explanation. I gave everything. Let us go to the example part. I will go for doing this. Tell me, case study 1 I have to do now, case study 2 I have to do now, or both of them I have to do. Come on, fast to this. Right? Yes, ma'am. Not matching. I told already now. If the value of the choice expression is not matching with any one of the case label, then PVM executes what? Default case block which are written under this, and also under later, of course, that is optional, and later execute other statements in the program. And later what? Execute other statements in the program. Writing default case block is optional. I hope you are understanding. So, I hope you are understanding. Okay. Okay. Let us start with the case number 1. Okay. No problem. I will start with the case number 1. No issue at all. So, let us start discussing about this program. First one. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Come on, students, all of you. Write a Python program which will implement the following. 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 Menu driven application. Menu driven application. Menu driven application. Menu driven application. Write down this. As it is, you write down quickly. Make it quick, ma. Very quick. You copy down this quickly. Within a minute, you need to do it. All of you try to write down here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are called what? Case labels we can call. Case labels we can call. Yes, ma'am. Pooja, done. Okay, very good. Now, try to recapitulate your previous concept. Okay, done it. Now I'm going to the program. Let's start with the file, new Python. Shall I go? I'm going to others. Yes, sir. Now I'm taking Python here. Yeah. Now I'm going to introduce. So now I'm going to introduce program for implementing menu driven application by using what? Match case menu driven application by using match case. I'm writing match case. Program for implementing menu driven application for computing all arithmetic operations. All arithmetic operations, my dear students. Right, my dear students, please follow me carefully. Menu driven application. Now I am taking AOP.py. Yes, look at that. Look at the outline of my program. I want these lines. I want this arithmetic operation, and I want this. I will take it. As it is, I will design first of all like this. Let us go to that. Now I am saying print of like this. I will just take it. Just I want to show you this is for your decorative output purpose I am taking. Other than that, nothing, my dear students. Print of \t. Arithmetic operations I am taking. Arithmetic operation just to make you to feel very nice. Good looking output we are just going for it. Just I am showing some good looking output. That's it. Other than that, nothing is there. Print of \t, some tab space, 1 for addition. 1 for addition. See, my dear students, addition. Let me do it. You also try to understand me. 2 for subtraction. 2 for subtraction. I'm taking here 2 for subtraction. Next 3 for I'm taking here 3 for multiplication. Next 4 for division. 4 for division. And the next 5th for 5 for floor division, floor division, floor division. Next, sixth for what? Modulus. Modulus. Modulo division, I will write it. Modulo division, I am writing. Next, seventh for exponentiation. Exponentiation. And the next, eighth for exit. See, students, exit. Right? Right. Fine. Let us execute. Just to see how it is looking like. Just to observe it. Let us go to that. Save it as AOP.py. Coming to this place, py, AOP. See, my dear students, arithmetic operations. I will extend these lines here, something like, and all the operations are available. Okay, fine. Now I will elaborate like this, and I will elaborate this. Okay, I will tell you one small important thing today, and try to understand me. Once again, you execute. See, students, of course, I did not save this. I saved it. Now you execute. See, students, now it is available. Ready? Now I will go for execution part. Okay, students, now I'll go for next continuation part of it. Yeah. Now I'm going to expect it. Enter your choice. CH is equal to int of input of enter your choice. Look at my dear students. Enter your choice. Yes. Your choice will be there in CH. What is your choice? Can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other than 6, 7, 8, you may enter the choice as 22, 23. No case labels are matching. Come on. What is our syntax? Match CH. Match CH. Match CH colon case 1. Case 1. Next I will write case 2. I will write it. I will plan it. First I am providing the skeleton for you. Case 3. Next I am planning the case. Skeletons I am providing 4. Next I am writing case 5. Next I am writing case 6. I am going to give you 6. Now I am going to give you case 7. And case 8. Case 1, case 2, case 3, all those things are there. Case 1, case 2, case 3, case 8, all of them are there. If it is a case 1, what should I do? Tell me. If it is a case 1, what should I do? All of you students. Quickly. Addition I need to do it. Okay, students. See how simple it is. I will write the statements here. Look at my dear students. N1 is equal to float of input of, all of you watch it ma, bigger code I will write it. Enter first value for addition. Okay. Come on to this. N2 is equal to float of enter second value for addition. I will take it. Enter second value for addition. N2. Now I will print it. What I am doing now? Sum of I say here is equal to dot format of N1 comma N2 comma, yes, I forget. N1 comma N2 comma, I forget. Next, what should I do? N1 plus N2. Very good. Mahendra Babu, Senapati, Shravani, Rocky. Very good. N1 plus N2. Beautiful. Rakesh, Asif. Excellent. Sum of format of N1 value will be substituted here. N1 value will be substituted here. N2 value will be here. N1 plus N2 will be here. Beautiful. Similarly, second one, what is my first one? Addition is over. Subtraction I need to take. Happily, I will take it like this. If you want, I will do different things. What is that? Please look at that. Enter two float values. Enter two values. See, my dear students, enter two values for subtraction. For subtraction. See, different formats I will do it. N1 comma N2 is equal to float of input of comma float of input of like that. Did you understand, my dear student? What is this line of statement? What is this line of statement? I forget. Multi-line assignment statement. Very good, very good. Multi-line assignment statement. It is called a multi-line assignment statement. Beautiful. I will write it here. Subtraction of sub of N1 comma N2, N1 minus N2 I am taking. Are you okay? Is it clear? Is this clear? Is this clear, students? Yes. Similarly, I will go for case 3. Case 3 is what? I will take here. I will take, if you want, I will take it. Enter two values for multiplication. Enter two values for multiplication. Multiplication. Okay. N1 and N2. N1 star N2. N1 star N2. MUL of. Okay. How beautiful it is. Easy. N1 star N2. Case number 4. What is the case number 4? Division you want. Division you want. See, my dear student. Enter two values for division. Enter two values for division. Two values for division. N1 comma N2 sub div of N1 slash N2 N1 slash N2. Similarly, I will go for this. Enter two values for floor division. Okay, division single slash ma. Yeah. Yes, my dear students. Yeah, yes, ma. Corrected. Yes, ma. Corrected. This is for addition operation we have done. Addition operation we have done. Okay. Then case 5. It is called floor division. Floor division I am taking. There I will write it. This I will take it as floor div of this one. N1 slash double slash by 2. Case number 6. Modulus. So I am saying that modulus. Very good. Modulo division. Okay, what is this? Modulo division. Modulo division. Okay, fine. Yes, sir. Irfan, you are asking one good question, ma'am. Irfan, you are asking one good question. What will happen if I write everything in the beginning once? What will happen, sir? What we provide N1 and N2 values in the starting instead of writing every case. My dear student, Irfan, good question. I'm really appreciating you. Because of writing this thing in the beginning, do you know what is happening? Only for that value, I want to give separate values, I want to take it. Whenever you are going for an addition, see, after entering the values, you are taking that choice. Okay, well and good. That is one angle. I am accepting it. That's perfect. But my interest, you can, if you want, I will do that code also. After accepting the choice, I am asking you. After accepting. See, for example, you want to go to the ATM. You are entering the money first and doing the operation. First option you are selecting and entering the value now. You want to withdraw the money. First you are taking the option. Option you are taking, later you are getting the values. Okay, na? That is the one you need to take care. Okay, Irfan. Okay, good. Your question is also very good. Very good. This question is also very good. I will do that example also. I will give you that also. Very good. Because one of the main thing is I am writing the same code again and again. His question is, why can't we write once? That is a very good question. I really like it. Yeah, no problem, students. Come on to the point of it. Case number 8. So, modulo division. I am writing here mod of. I am writing percent operator. I am applying. Case number 7. I am taking. Last and final. I am giving my dear student. Case number. This one I am taking. That is nothing but exponentiation. I am giving exponentiation. Take values for exponentiation. Exponentiation. There you are writing star star expo. This is called power. This is called power. Ranjan, don't do like that, ma. You are doing wrong. You see the wrong thing. What you are using? Ranjan is using like that. Is it correct? Is it correct? No. What is this operator called? What is this operator called? XOR. Dear student, don't go like that, ma, please. You have to write it. N1 star star N2 you need to say. Okay? Yeah. No problem. Take care. 7 is there. 7 means what? 7 means what? What is the 7? Exponentiation is there. 7 is okay. Now 8 I am going to say. 8 means what? Exit. There is one predefined function in our Python programming that is called exit. There is a predefined function called exit. Now I am saying that print thanks for using this application. Thanks for using this program. I am saying. Thanks for using this program. I am saying. So I am saying that \n. Thanks for using this program. Exit means it will come out of the program permanently. It will come out of the program permanently. Are you getting my point? Exit is a function which will function is a predefined function. I will write a comment. Predefined function used to terminate the program physically. 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 Termination of the program. Here only the program will be stopped. Okay, no case labels are matching. Which one I need to write it? Case underscore, right? Colon, right? I am writing your choice of operation, your selection of operation, selection of operation is wrong. Selection of operation is wrong. Okay, is wrong. Execute again. Okay, see how simple it is, right? See students, how easy this code is. Save this code once. Execute. Now go students. See, enter your choice. Your choice, you need to enter the choice here. How simple it is, my dear student. Let us watch, my dear students, how simple it is. Yes. Now say 1. Enter the first value for addition. 4. Enter the second value for addition. 3. I got it. 4.0 plus 3.0 is 7.0. Right? Coming to the point of it. Right. Ganesh Verma. It should not be called like that, ma. It should not be called Ganesh Verma. Please read our notes, ma. Ganesh. Please read our notes. You are asking. It is also called cap. It's not correct, ma. Cap. I told that don't call it as a cap. I told na XOR. What cap it is? Is it a monkey cap or what cap it is? So interviewer will make a joke on it. Okay, please don't take that words, ma. Please. Let us coming to the bitwise operator that is called. Let us, last and final students, execute now. Come on, read my notes thoroughly. Ganesh, enter your choice. Yes, go for 1, go for 2. Enter the value, 2 values for subtraction, 10 and 23.45. See the answer now. Sub off like this. Answer I got it, minus 10.45. Enter the next. Enter the choice. Menu driven application. Pre-designed conditions. Predefined conditions. Right? Come on to the point of it. Here I can use it. Yes. Yes, ma, we can use it. Atish, you can use this. I will do it in the class. Project also we will do. Deposit, withdraw, what is our balance inquiry. We will tell you that case study in the class. Don't worry. Once we teach in the class, it will be continued forever. It will continue throughout our entire course. 3. Enter the two values for a multiplication. 2.3 and then 4.5. Answer is like this. Answer is like this. Are you getting? Next, I will go for one more. Floor division. 10 and 3, you take it. Oh, 10 and 3. 10, enter your choice. 3. No case labels are matching. Your selection of operation is wrong. Execute again. Mr. Knox. Mr. Knox. See, ma, please don't ask this type of irrelevant doubts. Mr. Knox, is it possible to take two choices at a time, my dear student? Is it possible to take two choices at a time, my dear student? If possible to take choices, how it is possible, ma? You have written the code one choice at a time. You have written the code one choice at a time. Okay? Please take, ma, think about it. Think about it. 4. Enter the two values, 10 and 3. See the division here. Division 3.333, etc. Please think about it. Wholeheartedly think about it. Next, I'm going for 5. You enter 10 and then 3. You enter. See that answer is called 3.0 is coming. 3.3333, etc. Decimal values are not coming. 3.0. Modulo division, last and final, I will take it. 10, 100 and then 100 I'm entering. Choice is 100. Selection of operation is wrong. Now I'm taking the choice is called modulo division. 6. I'm entering 6. Enter the value called 100 and enter the value called 33. I got modulo division is called 1.0 because 100, 33, 3 is 99. 100 minus 99. 1.0 is the remainder. 1.0 is the remainder. Next I'm going for entering. 7 I'm entering. Exponentiation. Enter the two values for exponentiation. I will take it as what, 4 to the power of 3. 4 to the power of 3, 64. 4 to the power of 3, 64. Right? Now I will say, see that, last and final. I will say, enter your choice, 2, 2, 2, 2, like this, 3, 3, 3. Yes, ma, Senapati, we can do. We can show the menu until we exit. We will use loops there, loops. That is our next topic to discuss. 3333. 3333 is not matching with our case labels. No case label is matching here. No case label is matching here. See, my dear student, no case label is matching here. It is going to be an end of it. It is going to be an end of it. See, dear students, how easy this is. How easy this is. You see, I say, your selection of operation is wrong. Execute again. You may have a doubt. Sir, enter the, this one is executing. Case label is executing. Which one? Default case label is executing. Enter your choice. I may enter the choice as KVR. But KVR is not a case label. When I come to the exception handling, I will deal with the irrelevant data also I will explain. Don't worry right now. So I get it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now last and final I am saying that 8. 8 is nothing but what? Thanks for using this program. It is exiting the program, physically exiting and coming out of it. Dear students, are you comfortable with this? Are you comfortable with this? Please confirm. Yes. Very good. Let me go to the another part of it. I hope that you will do this. Right. Thank you, Atish. Thank you. Right. Now, exit means totally coming out of the program. I told you na. It is a predefined function used to terminate the program physically. I will give you much more explanation. Very good examples I will give you, ma. Don't worry. Still, examples are continuing. Now, will you continue this? Will you do this next one? Will you do this next one or shall I do it? Tell me quickly, you tell me. Shall I do it or you will do? You will do? Okay, okay. You will do it. Okay, you will do it. Shall I go to the next example? Next example. Okay, very good. I'm really appreciating. You said that. What is the circle area, ma? What is the circle area formula? What is the circle area, please? Already you understand now. Pi r square. Pi r square. Right? Square I am taking. Yeah, square I am taking. S into S you take it, and rectangle you take it. L into B. L into B, and then triangle you take it. Of BH. Already you did this examples in our class. Already we did this example. Pi value is called 3.14. You will do it. I hope you will do this example. Right? Very simple for you. This example will work only on Python 3.10 only. This will not work on 3.9. How do you check that, sir? Py. See, students. You check the version first. Py hyphen version. See, my dear students. Python 3.10 only this will work, because match case is available only in 3.10 version only. It is not available in the 3.9 version. It is not available in the 3.9 version. How to find the version of your software? Py and say hyphen version. Note it down immediately. To find the version of the, some people will ask you, how to find the version of your Python? Any place py and say hyphen version. This will show you the version of your program. Right? Done. Very nice. Now I want to go for one more example. Shall I go to one more example, my dear students? Shall I go to one more example, ma? Yeah. Let us go to the next example here. Yes. Right? Fine. So you can do the same thing. You can do the same operation by using if statements also. You can do it. You can do. This is a better way. I told already in the classroom, any pre-designed conditions are there. Go for match case, because these are the industry recommendations. If you want, you can go for what also? If else statement also you can do. There is no doubt in that. But the better and comfortable way of doing is called like this. Okay, right. Let us go, dear students. Now I am going to enter one more kind of small example. Look at that. All of you must follow me carefully. Must follow me carefully. All of you should follow me nicely. One more example, I am going to do it. Program for demonstrating match case. Right? Arjun, you download Python 3.10 and execute. It is automatically modify or update. You click on the update link, it will be updated. Go to www.python.org, download Python 3.10, you run that file, it will be automatically getting updated when you click on the update or modify option. Try to do that. In the beginning, I shown you update, modify, like that I shown you, right or not? Have you remembered that? Yeah, fine. Let us take students. Now I'm taking something like this. So W name is equal to, watch it all of you. Week name, WK name is equal to, so don't take Ganesh, don't take 3.6.2 version, don't take it. You please upgrade by yourself, I told. Right. Week name is equal to input of, I'm asking, enter the week name, week name. I'm talking, enter the week name. Now I'm going to take, what is this week name? I'm writing. What is that week name? I'm writing. Match WK name. What is that week names? How many week names are there? All of you tell me. How many week names are there? Quickly. 7. How many case labels are coming? 7. Okay. Case. Now I'm writing Sunday. See, my dear students, Sunday. I'm writing here. colon. What I'm doing? Print off, print off, print off, print off. What is it? Is a holiday. Is a holiday. Is a holiday. Okay. Dot format of just go on watching it. WK name. Okay. WK name. Week name. WK name. This is called WK name. This is called what? If the week name is equal to Sunday, I'm printing this week name. Okay. Next I'm going to say case Monday. I'm taking Monday. I'm taking, my dear student, Monday. What I'm doing now? Print. I'm saying that, observe carefully, is a working day. It's a working day. It's a working day. Okay. Dot format of, I'm saying that like this. WK name. Ganesh, please go to higher versions, ma. Please upgrade your system, Windows 10, and download Python 3.10. I told in the beginning only, ma, to download Python 3.10, you need to have Windows 7 plus. Windows 7 plus higher version of operating system is required. Please upgrade by yourself. So, right. Next is called Tuesday. This is called one more Tuesday. I'm taking like that. Print off, also working day. Like that I will take it. Carefully observe, all of you. Carefully observe it. Now, right, now here Wednesday, right, fine, ma. Wednesday is called working day. Next is called one more here. Now I'm writing Thursday. It is called working day. Next I'm writing here Friday. Also working day. Next I'm taking Saturday. Now I'm taking Saturday. It's called weekend. This is weekend. Okay. Next I'm taking, no more days are there. Suppose I am writing, now I am taking underscore, I am taking print of what? It is not a day. It is not weekday. It is not a weekday. Right? Dot format of. Carefully understand WK name. Beautiful. Carefully understand, students. Save it. So week.py. Save it. Now understand, my dear students. Week.py. Yeah. Let us come out of that. Py weekday. Enter the week name. So I'm taking Wednesday. I'm taking. See that Wednesday is a working day. Next I'm taking Thursday. Now I'm taking Thursday. Thursday is a working day. Next I'm taking Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. Next I'm taking Saturday. It is going to take like this. Are you following, my dear students? Next I'm taking Python day. This Python day is not matching with any one of the case labels. From here to here, it is not matching. Is it executing the default block or not? Yes. Executing the default block. Right? Ranjan, Simple ma. Week name I am printing. That week is comparing with Sunday. Python day is equal to Sunday false. Python day equal to Monday false. Tuesday false. Wednesday false. Thursday false. Friday false. It is printing. What is a weekday? Week name Python day is not a weekday. What is the doubt, ma? Ranjan, Python day is not a weekday. Default block. Ranjan, are you getting? Ranjan, are you getting, ma? We are getting that into where? We are reading that data into week name. It is a variable. In the variable, I am going to take. Are you getting? Ranjan, are you getting, ma? So, Ranjan day. Ranjan day. What is happening? Not at all matching. Is not a weekday at all. Yes, ma. Puja. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that, ma. Puja. I'm going to do it. Ayyo. Ganesh. Seema, I hope you need to practice a lot. And you need to practice a lot. How to execute the last case. That only working, ma. That only working. That is only the working. Last one only I'm explaining. That only I'm explaining. Right. Now see that last one I'm expecting. Ganesh day. Right. See that Ganesh day is not a weekday. Okay. Now I am asking one more question, my dear students. Look at that. Now I'm expecting Sunday. I'm expecting Sunday. See that Sunday. Sunday is a small letter. Small letter is not equal to capital letter. Definitely it is not equal to capital letter. What is happening? See that it is not a weekday, it is coming. Sunday is a weekday actually, but it is giving you what? Like this. Sir, how to deal with it, sir? Are you understanding? See that now. Monday I'm expecting. See that case sensitive Monday. But in my program I mentioned in what way? Capital letters I mentioned. See, my dear student. Fine, students. Are you able to follow me? So can I go for one more? This is called a week. Dot.py. I want to do that. I will provide the final solution for you. See that one more Python program. See that week1.py. I will write it Sunday or see that or Sunday. See that Sunday. Let us execute. I'm trying with that. Week1.py. Yes, execute this part. Py week1.py. Sunday is a holiday. Sunday is a holiday. Which operator I am using? See that bitwise OR operator. How great. R operator I am using. Beautiful. I am using what? Monday I am using. Beautiful. Here I am using what? I am using, see, I will give you a lot of knowledge for you. Tuesday I am giving like this. Next I am writing or Wednesday. You can write in single code also. Wednesday. I can give you like this. Next I am going to give you what? Or what is this now? I can say, what is this now? Thursday. I am giving like that. Single quote I am giving. Or operator I used. Bitwise OR operator. It's the most flexible one because this one I am using. Now I am using what? Coming to this point, somebody is asking or Friday. You are using Friday. OR operator I am using. I am using or. Saturday. I am using like this. Let us execute this point, ma. Let us execute all of you. Execute now. See that what is this line number? Line number Friday. So it is expecting something like this, expecting like this. Okay, it is expecting some type of expecting invalid kind of thing. It is expecting. Okay, so here see that those who are asking this, see that it is asking that it is an error, right? That's what I'm saying, ma. See that carefully. This is the one we are getting it. This is the one we are getting it. So here we are getting this. So here I'm going to say or operator. See that invalid syntax it is expecting. Okay, it is called wrong. We cannot use it. So that's why I'm trying to use like this. So here I'm using like this. Here I'm using like this. I hope you are following, my dear student. I hope you are following, my dear student. Or fine, students, let us watch this example. Let us watch this example. Finally, enter anything. You see, enter weekday. Monday, working day. Monday capital. Yes. Fine. Are you able to understand, my dear students? We can use Rocky. We can use it. No issue like that. We can use it. No problem. We can use OR operator also. No issue. I will use it. I will use it in our class. Working day. Is it understandable, students? This is understandable. See, one thing I want to say. Monday to Friday, all of them are working day. Monday to Friday, all of them are working day. I don't want to write 7th line to 16th line. I want to reduce my program. Let us see how I'm reducing it. My dear student. Why I'm saying all these things is because you need a lot of knowledge. Look at that, my dear student. Monday. Tuesday also I will take it. See, my dear student, carefully observe it. One by one I will try to paste here. Tuesday. So I will remove this. That. Wednesday also I will take it. Here also I will write Wednesday. Carefully observe, ma. Wednesday also I am taking. So Wednesday story I will take out. Next I will write it. One more or Thursday also I will take it. Yes, students. Carefully follow, ma. Yeah. There is no hurry at all. And Friday also, Thursday you remove it. I'm reducing my code. And next this one also you take care. Thursday, and you are writing this one, and you write down, and then you take it. Again I will take it. Okay, that is enough. Not necessary. This part I will remove it. Saturday, you see. Sunday is a holiday. And then another case is the biggest case. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and like this. I'm having lot of discussion here. All of them are working days. Why to write more number of cases? So I reduced my coding here. Let us take it as week2.py. Save this code, please. Week2.py. Out of that, py, week2.py. Enter the week name, Monday. I am taking that Monday. See, my dear student, working day. Now I am taking, okay, week 2. Now I am taking what, Tuesday. I'm getting this. Tuesday. What is happening? Is not a weekday. What is the problem there? Tuesday, what is the problem there, ma? Yeah. Okay. That is the correct. I will provide the solution for it also, my dear student. Yes, now you execute Tuesday, working day. Wednesday is a working day. See, that is a working day. Last and final, Saturday is a work weekend. Sunday, I will take Sunday. It's a holiday. Now, my dear student, here you see one more refinement on this program. Monday, I will take MONDAY. So M capital, D capital. M capital, D capital. Definitely it is not matching here. Definitely it is not matching. First of all, did you understand this operation, my dear students? OR operation. OR operation. So it is a Monday, M capital, N capital. It is a zero value. It is a zero value. It is also 0, 0, 0. All of them are not matching. 0, 0, 0, 0. 0 or 0 or 0 or 0. Total 0 only now. 0 means it will come out of that. You see that not matching at all. It is not a weekday. Working with or false, that is. Right? Yes, ma. Mosam. Mosama. Mosama. Yes, thank you. And one more thing I want to go for it. Let them enter into whatever the way like it. My dear student, for that, I will go to like this. See, my dear student, I will go to one small refinement, last and final. Come to dear students here. Come to my dear students, last and final example, Python 3.10. Watch it. Now I'm having S is equal to KVR, capital, that is. Print of S. See, my dear student. S dot upper is a function. Upper is a function. Oh, sorry. Lower is the function. Lower is a function. S is having uppercase. Now I am converting into lower. Lower is a function. Converting this S. Lower is a function present into str. Like list is there na, append function, remove function, like that na. Like a lower is a function converting the uppercase S data into lowercase. See that ma? Printed a lowercase data. Printed or not? Printed or not? Yes. Again I am taking S is equal to Monday. It is a small. I want to print into upper. S dot upper. See that it is printed Monday. Now I will take it S is equal to MONDAY. I just enter mixed case. I enter into mixed case. S dot upper. Irrespective of the case you enter, I am converting into any one of the case. Everything convert into uppercase. Beautiful. Let's go. I will take. You are entering the week in any of the order. Then there you are writing. Upper you are writing. Upper you are writing. This week is called str object, str. Dot converting immediately into what? Upper. That upper data compared with the Sunday, Monday, even Saturday. You need not write even small Monday also. Even small Monday also you need not to do it. Are you able to get it? Execute this code once. That is called week number 3. Week 3.py. Week 3.py. Now see the logic, please. Week 3.py. Execute. Go to your logic, ma. Yes, you see. Go to the logic here. Yes. Simple. Py. See that. Enter the week name. MONDAY. I enter different. You see working day. You enter THURSDAY. I just enter whatever I like. It's a working day. Beautiful. You want to convert to lower also, you can convert. No problem. Lower. You want to convert to lower, you can convert to lower. No problem. You can convert into lower also, no problem. Because lowercase comparison is there with you. Lowercase. Lowercase comparison is there. Uppercase comparison is there. Lowercase comparison is there. You are having total comparison with us. Yes. Execute this program. You say MONDAY. Something is capital, something is that. Irrespective of the data you enter, I will convert everything into lower only. See, working day. Right? Okay, Ranjan, thank you, ma. Now I will take it as a SUN capital DAY. See that? It's a holiday. Very good. This is the programming we need to get it. This is the way you need to get it. Like that, I will tell you so many programs are going to start now. So you can take uppercase and lowercase, you can take it. You can take uppercase and lowercase, you can take it. Right? So I told Pawan Sai, already I told you OR operator, AND operator, difference I already explained. OR operator, AND operator concept already explained. Okay. And don't think that in this case, I'm not going to have any logical expressions. I'm going to take only the value related kind of things I am using. Further, I will tell you the OR operation in this case also. Don't worry. I will take care about that kind of values also. Don't worry. Okay, now? Don't worry. I just said. Okay. Okay, ma Pavan solve. I will explain. Pavan. I will explain OR operator in the case. Lot of examples I am going to deal with it. Okay, Pavan, are you comfortable with this? Yeah, fine. So with this, what we completed today, conditional statements are completed. Conditional statements are completed. So tomorrow class, when I come back, I will explain, not like that, Anuj Rajput. We can use OR operator also. I'm telling you now, keep the words, keep the words, keep the words, right? Coming to the point of it, keep the word, keep that, and then I will explain further about this type of discussion. Okay, fine. So coming to the point back, these conditional statements are over. Tomorrow we are going to introduce looping statements. I will explain. Looping statements are nothing but what? You see, my dear students, in our case of looping statements, if you remember me, looping statements, conditional selection statements and flow control statements, if you watch it, there is a flow control statements are like this. What is that? Tomorrow class, I will come back with what? Looping statements I will explain. Okay, don't miss it. Very, very important discussion in the class. Thank you. Good day. All the best. All the best.